play! Hola, I'm Diego, and this is Baby Jaguar. We're animal rescuers, and we need your help. A mean magician is using her magic wand to turn the wild animals into stone all over Africa. Those animals need our help. Help Baby Jaguar and me pick up all of the animals in our rescue truck before the mean magician turns them into stone. Let's do it! Al rescate! Here's a map of Africa I found on my field journal. It shows all of the places where animals need our help. First, we need to help the animals in the savannah, jungle, and the swamp. Then, we can go back to the African rescue outpost and take pictures of our animal friends in the wild. Or make great pictures of our rescues in our animal photo album. Let's go! Come on, vámonos! Savannah Rescue! It's rescue time! Help Baby Jaguar and me to rescue all the animals that the mean magician turned to stone. To finish the rescue, we have to find all 4 of the animals that have been turned into stone. Use your mouse to help me drive the safari truck. Drive us over to any of the animals to pick them up. There are lots of great tricks to do with the safari truck. Just drive over ramps, springs, and loops to do great tricks. And if you drive over a speed boost, we'll start moving really fast. But watch out for big puddles or bushes that can slow us down. Ready? Al rescate! Get ready for a savannah